So we got some leaked advertisements of the Pixel Fold 2. Shout out to 9 to 5 Google for posting this, with the article actual writer being Abner Lee. I'll leave link down below in the description to the article and also, of course, the artist. But this is our first actual advertisement look at it. And wow, there it is. The beautiful device it is. I still like the Pixel Fold 1 better, but that's beside the point. Very, very thin. After seeing the Magic V3, like a picture of it yesterday, we made a video about it. This doesn't even look thin to me. That Magic V3 has changed my perspective on thin devices. But the good thing about the fact that Google is making this phone, and of course Google is, really good with software, is that they're going to make software, at least all their apps, work perfectly fine with the Google Pixel Fold 2, or I guess Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I'm going to say Pixel Fold 2 until eventually I'm going to get to the point where I say Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But so as you can see, you do have different applications showing off here. We have, of course, a different, I'm going to guess this is Duo calls on one side, or maybe Google Hangouts. Probably Google Hangouts because it is Google. And on the other side, you have text messages, so you can go ahead and call up your friends while texting at the same time. Although I will say, I don't know how. I guess this in theory would be them sending you stuff as they're talking, because it would be really weird for this to work out correctly. Just because if you try to text off this, it would then put the keyboard the whole entire screen, which would in theory defeat the purpose of having double, or I guess two things on at once. But it also shows the camera functionalities, and again, face swapping, which is just using AI to make it even cooler. It's easier to snap brilliant selfies and incredible group pictures and add custom edits. We have stunning photos, videos unfolding in new ways with an advanced triple reel camera system, flexible designs, and innovative AI. It's easier. Oh, I just read this. I just read that actually. It's just this. Okay, so this is from this. Okay, gotcha. And then we have this. Other images. Then we have Pixel helps you keep your info safe. Extra protection when you're online. Face unlock on both screens for fast access. The best spam detection on any phone. Yeah, I mean, finally today's leaks prices of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is $1,800. 512GB version is $1,919, and this is identical to the first gen Pixel Fold. Why is there not a 1TB version? I don't know why they don't, like, for example, when I just got my Z Fold 6. My Z Fold 6, I got the 1TB version. When I get my phones, I always get 1TB versions. It's just something I like to do, personally speaking wise. I'm surprised they don't offer a 1TB version. Usually they do that. So, not saying Google does in general, but I'm saying usually companies with their highest end cell phone, they usually always add a 1TB version, which usually would be at the price tag of probably $19.99, kind of where Samsung has their price tags at. So I'm surprised there isn't a 1TB version. It's not a huge deal or a huge deal breaker. I'm just surprised there's not. But at the price tag is $17.99. It's less money than the Z Fold 6, which is nice. And yeah, it's going to pack a punch. I'm going to wait to see how successful this is. And the only reason I say that is because that is a lot of money, $1,800. And I wonder what all the specs are going to be. Like, we know it's a Tensor G4 chip, but we don't know how powerful that's going to be. We know it's 16GB of RAM. It's actually 5% less of a battery in this device than it is with the Pixel Fold 1. But we know the Tensor G4 chip is better at using the battery life and not pretty much giving you better battery life with a lesser battery. So better battery optimization. That's what I'm trying to say. So I wonder how successful this is going to be right away. especially with the OnePlus Open 2 right around the corner. I feel like a lot of people are waiting, rightfully so, to see what this looks like, and then what the OnePlus Open 2 looks like. But according to what we understand, the OnePlus 2 might not come out for a bit, because right now they're going to be releasing the OnePlus Open Apex Edition, which is like a red edition of the OnePlus Open. But then probably August, September time period, we see the OnePlus Open 2. But overall wise, I'm excited. I'm just excited to see, you know, this actually in person, holding my hand and give my thoughts and opinions there, rather than it just being on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.